Nicey was nice enough to give us these chairs to test them out, and we absolutely love them. We've used them for over 1,000 hours during the past 6 months overlanding in Baja California, Mexico. This is our everything chair. It's our camp chair, our dining room chair, our beach chair, office chair. It's even our sofa. We really have road tested these chairs. They've had over 1,000 hours of use. That's butts in seats in the past 6 months. That would be equivalent to over 5 years of regular use as a camp chair, beach chair, watch your kids' sporting events chair. These chairs are really sturdy and well built. We've had no issues with the frame, no tears or rips in the fabric, other than a few campfire embers burning a small hole. We've had similar chairs in the past, and they have not been as durable or well made. They have strong reinforced corners where the poles insert into the bucket seat. And then there's extra stitching that forms a channel that helps hold the back support of the chair. This is a great feature because it keeps the poles snug and in the pocket. We've had similar chairs that don't have this channel, and it allows the pole to move around, and the poles ended up ripping through the top. This chair is comfortable. We've even used them inside hotel rooms or Airbnb stays because they're more comfortable than the furniture. And the side pockets are super handy. They can fit your phone, flashlight, soda, or even a beer. The chair really does set up fast and easy. It's super lightweight and compact. And a real bonus, the carry bag is generous enough in size that the chair fits in easily. You don't have to struggle. Just roll it up and cram it in. If you've been reluctant to try this style of chair over the bigger fold-out style, either because of comfort or durability, stop contemplating. They're more comfortable. The bucket seat really hugs your bum and cradles your back. And as for durability, well, like I said, we've used these chairs for over 1,000 hours. The only minor issue we found with this chair is if you're on really uneven ground, the tilt may cause your rumpus to rest on the crossbar. So level it up, problem solved. Bottom line, sit your bottom in the chair, you'll love it. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to follow us on more overlanding and camping adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.